Hi, this is Ben of BGM Graphics, and this big box is the box that my new FlashForge Creative Pro come in. It's a huge big box. Here are the parts. I don't know what's this wire's for. Feeding tubes, USB, parts, and these boards with Chinese writing on them. Seems like there's going to be some assembly. What the hell are these? Cups, I don't know. Power cable's really good. It's gloss. I have a lot of PCs in my day, and none of them are glossy protected like this. Heck, not even my iMac is glossy. It's just a white matte cord. Lots of assembly right here. This is the print head. Thermal wire. Where was the thermal wire? Right there. Thermal wire. It's well seated, well protected. A lot better designed than Robo 3D, which comes out on a whim, and no stupid rubber shoe. But I don't like have to assemble anything. Amazon.com didn't say assemble. Well, I don't know. A continuation is a complete assembled product. And I would make another video on test prints and such. There it is, resting on my chair. And I would tell you this, I think it's made in USA. But I don't know, but I can't get through it. Not like this anyways. Let's see. Gently put it right here. The FlashForge printer. What the hell is this? Advertisement? Decal decoration, maybe? Probably a safety decoration. It's got a 3M stick back. So this probably is a peel off stick back. There's several of them. Now that's gotta be the plate or something. I don't know. A lot of stuff. I mean, a lot of stuff. How am I supposed to get this thing out? I don't think you move this thing. I don't think to move that. I don't think I can move this. Wait. Here's something. I don't want a scan card. Oh, what the hell is this? Turn cards. Turn the nut clockwise. Turn the nut anti-clockwise. Should I say counterclockwise? Oh, this is how you. This is not. It's not how you get all the crap out. How am I supposed to get this crap out? It looks like their filaments. You guys might not be able to see. But I'm going to have to dig through here and show you another video of a complete setup and tests. This is Ben of BGM Graphics. Leave a like and comment and subscribe. Bye.